So we are going to continue the same problem that we talked about before. Remember from the previous slide that mass initial is equal to 6 grams, volume aqueous is actually equal to 50 milliliters, mass organic is the unknown, volume organic is 30 milliliters now, and the K value or the KD value is equal to 6.5. So again, I'm gonna do the same calculation which I did before. So KD is equal to MOVO over M aqueous V aqueous. So it's equal to X over 30 divided by initial 6 minus X over 50. And this whole thing is equal to 6.5. Again, doing the calculations, the math, X over 30 is equal to 6.5 times 6.x, or doing cross multiplication. Again, multiplying this by this and this by 1. Again, 50x over 30 equals to 6.5 times 6 minus x. So if I want to simplify this, we will end up with 1.66x equals to, and we open the bracket here, so this is going to be equal to 39 minus 6.5x. Again, move this to this side. Anyways, once you finish this, x will be equal to 4.77 grams. So this is the first amount of compound A that can be extracted using 30 milliliters. So M1 is equal to 4.77 grams. Now, we are going to do the same calculations again one more time. But now the initial amount, remember that mass aqueous is equal to 6 minus x. So it's actually equal 6 minus 4.77. So it's equal to 1.22 grams. So this is the amount of compound A which remained in the aqueous layer. So when I do the second calculation now, I will put KD equals to mass organic, V organic, mass aqueous, V aqueous. This is X2 now. Volume organic is again 30 milliliters. Mass aqueous is initial, but the initial amount now is 1.22. Remember, this is a second extraction, minus X2 over 50. And this whole thing is equal to 6.5. Now, if you do the math, I'm not going to do it right now, but if you do the math, you will end up with X2 being equal to 0.97 or 98 grams. So, remember, M1 or X1 was the first, was M1 is 4.77. In addition to this, we add 0.98, and the total amount that is extracted now is equal to 5.75 grams. So using multiple extraction, I was able to collect 4.77 after the first extraction and 0.98 after the second extraction. So the total amount which is obtained after these two extractions is 5.75 grams compared to 5.32 grams using single extraction. So if I use a single extraction, I will be able to extract 5.32 grams of my compound. If I used multiple extraction, I will be able to collect or obtain 5.75 grams of my compound, and this proves that multiple extraction is actually more efficient than a single extraction using the same volume. This type of calculation problems is one of the most common type of problems that you may see in exams or in lab reports, so you have to be familiar with these kind of questions. Before moving on to something else, just make sure whenever you do these calculation problems to avoid like doing mistakes, math mistakes, because this is going to ruin the whole work. So this is the end of this video, and this is in this way we explained anything which is related to calculations using the KD value.